Alright, today we're going to have a demonstration of a Oliver Model 600 drill grinder. This is the chuck that holds the workpiece. This is an adjustable tailstock for different length workpieces. This can be swiveled across this axis. Let's see, we start the machine has this is engaging the oscillation of the grinding wheel, and this is disengaging it. And this changes the oscillation. These are your different feeds of your chuck rotation. And this is oil lubrication. We'll start the machine. And we see grinding wheel. So, in order to change the speed of the chuck, you need to shut it off so you don't grind the gears. And using the gear switcher here, change the speed of the work rotation. This is the faster speed. There's a cam lock over here for locking this in place, as well as a scale. This is your INFEED, and we're going to show you this in a separate video after this. But this is your INFEED slide. This is rubber protection. Everything is nice and clean. New filter, new belts. Open up the electrical cabinet. This is 220 volts. The chuck here opens and closes. There's 3/8 drive socket. I'm just going to use put this in neutral. See here, as you open these and close these, they all turn at the same time. So one's turning on the top. There's different jaws that can go in here. They open symmetrically, each one at the same time. Probably some type of scroll. And that's pretty much that.